Hey guys, I hope you're having a great week. I have another book for you. It's called, let me get the glare out of there, Pete the Cat Train Trip. Let's read. Pete the Cat is going to visit his grandma. He gets a ride on a train. Pete's mom buys 3 tickets. She gives one to Pete and one to his brother Bob. Who do you think the other one's for? Hmm. Pete looks up at the big board. Our train is leaving at 10 o'clock, he says. A train speeds by. That's a cargo train, Bob tells Pete. Pete's train has arrived. All aboard, called the conductor. Pete's mom finds 3 seats. I can't wait to see Grandma, says Bob. I can't wait to explore the train, says Pete. The conductor comes to collect the tickets. Pete hands over his. I love trains, says Pete. I'll show you around, says the conductor. Pete follows the conductor from car to car as the floor rumbles under his feet. Wow, Pete says when they get to the caboose. We're going over a bridge. Pete sees his mom and Bob. They are at the snack bar. I got this for you, says Bob. Ooh, what did he get him? Do you see? An apple. Pete follows the conductor. He goes to the front of the train. Come in, says the engineer. Oh, look at that. The conductor is a duck or some kind of, but the engineer is a dog. Wow, Pete says. The engineer shows him the engine. The engineer shows Pete the train's brakes. There's a tunnel up ahead. As they go through the tunnel, Pete gets to honk the horn. Toot toot. And everything is light again. Thanks for showing me around, Pete says. Oh, he's got a conductor hat on too. Oh, that's an engineer hat. On his way back to his seat, Pete stops and makes new friends. They live in different towns. They are getting off at different stops. Oh, look at all his friends. A cow, 2 cows, and a chicken. Pete plays games. A little kid wears his hat. Pete sings a song. What a groovy ride. We get off at the next stop, says Pete's mom. Toot toot. Pete looks out the window and sees Grandma! Pete is the first one off the train. Pete's grandma gives him a big hug. It feels good. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves his grandma even more. The end. That was Pete the Cat train trip. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.